I ran to a burping contest only this time. It's with my other sister. See if this one gets better. We are trying 7-Up this time. Good stuff.
Mine's already opened.
I feel the carbonation in my stomach. Damn. It hasn't reached me yet. Oh, that well.
You only got that many?
Right now, I might not be done. It'll settle on, and I'll have burps. It's still in my stomach. It's got to settle for a while. Usually root beer comes right out of me. Whitney, you beat me.
I told you I'm good at this.
Oh, my stomach hurts. Because I got a burp.
I didn't even chug half of this yet. Yeah, there's half a soda there for you. But you're losing. So do you want me to just chug it?
Nope. Oh, that burned.
Don't make yourself throw up.
No, they're just coming out.
Miss your mouth much?
I always go.
We're so unladylike. It's bad.
I'll go for it.
How much is left of that? 'Cause I'm gonna...
There they go. See, root beer gives me the belch. Should have got me a root beer.
I feel like I'm all out of gas. My stomach is full though.
You got more coming, they'll settle down. And you'll be able to.
You got more coming.
Ant power.
I was being perverted and nasty, but I
Oh.
wouldn't understand that.
My stomach is full, like, I'd be able to drink more.
And you just ate too.
Oh yeah, fuck.
So really don't make yourself throw up.
I won't. I'll
You
feel
can see my dimples.
play some music. There you go, bitch.
Jim.
I'm Jim.
That's why I said Jim. I paused for dramatic effect.
Well, if I got another one coming, then I'll pause the music.
Soon we both start dancing. Okay, not like Jane. Here, watch. I can make. Oh, you gotta pause the music. I can make cool things on here.
Told you they were coming.
Ew.
Yeah. That took away my fullness.
Ah! I didn't mean for it to go on the cat.
Yeah, every time you go to my advertiser, though. You go to here.
I'm getting there.
We could do weird faces, and everyone it'll take a picture of it and do it. Where am I?
And look at this one. It's no, not that one. This one's like epic. It's like
What is it?
epic.
Motion is. Oh.
Yeah, it's like.
Hold on, you ready? We're gonna fade.
Here's the camera. How attractive is this?
Yeah, my name's Jim.
I'm Jimbo Wing.
Look at my mouth. It's beautiful. I look like a camel. Fucking love Photoshop.
It's only doing it to you, so it's really funny.
You gotta move. It's probably motion. Yeah, I got a big mouth. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. Blowing some steam. La la la. Some big eyes.
Oh, it's funny.
Go to face paste.
What?
Skateboarding. I'm a fish.
This one's cool.
I like it. We still have idea.
Now you're surfing, bitch.
My eyes are still contraction.
Looks like you haven't gotten sleep in forever.
Yeah, it does.
Well, not with the eyes.
You draw over here. It's gonna drip now. My mustache is growing. Draw one on YouTube, bitch.
I did.
A booger. You gotta erase it in order to use other things on it. That one, you do, not the other ones. Just the slime one.
Wait, is that the eraser?
Yeah, you're erasing. This video is still going.
This TV. It's cool though. That bitch ain't gone yet.
No, they take forever.
Oh. I feel like a pixie.
I know. Yeah, use an eraser one. Found it.
I like bubbles. Let's do bubbles. Oh my gosh! You should do the fire. I'm gonna give you a fire crouch.
Oh,
That's a glitter. Oh, fire's right there.
That's
No.
the glitter.
The one next to it. We're on fire. Are you trying to draw a heart?
Yeah, but it goes away.
Here, let me do it. Okay, that's my heart.
That's horrible. Look at the side of his penis. That's a reflex on that one.
Why does it go away?
I don't know, it just does its time.
There's some weird balls there, buddy.
Come on, why do I get the penis?
You messed me up! Oh my god, you messed me up. It's still by your face.
Why didn't it go away?
It likes you.
It must have left its cum stains.
Mine's gone. You can be Hitler.
It's on my nose, Whitney. Kind of.
Okay.
I know, we're very random. You're gonna have to deal with it.
I don't know why this cracks me up so much. I'm gonna dress you up.
Will you erase my mustache and get a different one?
You're pretty sexy. American.
I'm a pedophile. I'll get in my van. I got candy.
You got candy in that van?
Yeah. I know what the women like. Even though I'm half of a woman.
I'm a man.
I'm half man, half woman.
Aren't you cool?
Yeah.
You shave.
Yep.
You could have a unibrow.
I was looking at that the other day.
Are you?
He was talking to me last night on Facebook.
He didn't even get away what we're talking about.
Not really. He won't watch this.
Probably would.
You can block him from it. Alright, well, that's the end of our burping contest turned into some weird ass shit.